my friends, welcome back to All by Wally. For those who doesn't know, I'm a fashion designer and professional seamstress. Today I have something fun for you guys to see. For example, behind me I have two wedding gowns that customer want to redesign it into one. It's gonna be a fun project and I want you to see it. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe also. Thank you. So this is our first fitting. This is the dress before we starting working on it. So here are our two dresses that we have to redesign it into one. So they are totally different styles and fabric, as you see. First, I start to remove the floral lace, and you have to be very careful because the lace is very delicate and it was sewn with the fish line thread. So we want to make sure do not make any holes because we're gonna use this fabric for the other one. So after we remove this, we're gonna start opening all the seams so we can carefully remove all the lace. After that, I start to open all the waistline and then I will probably keep together with the lining so the dress is not going to be too see-through. And then we can start working on next steps. The next on our dress, the first one, I would remove the ribbon that is on top. We will put it back, but before that we need to put the skirt first. So here is the dress, and here I'm removing all the ribbon on a skirt as well. Don't mind the mess behind. I was super busy this week and I wanted to finish all the work I have. So I start to removing all the fabric and I want to make sure because the chiffon was sewed together with lining, so I had to pin it back and open all the way. And then we're going to be able to add the lace that we removed from the other dress. So after removing the lace from our dress, I start to pinning on this dress. Yes, it is a little shorter because the dress was designed straight, but this one is a little curved front. But she's totally fine to keep it that way, and we're gonna work on the hem later. To remove the ribbons, I use the razor blade. If you never use it, make sure you always pull the ribbon and then you are cutting the thread, but make sure don't cut the fabric. Our last touches is to adjust the sides and a little bit of the sleeves to make sure it's fitted, and then we are ready to see the second fitting as well. Here is our second fitting, and as you see we need to do small adjustments again, and this is our upper part which I want to show you closer. We decided we're gonna keep shorter sleeves and detachable ruffle and fix the hem. So when I start working on the upper part of the dress, when I have to take in the seam, I got into a problem because this top fabric do not have any darts and only inside fabric have darts. So I decided to take in the darts, and then I had to open the sleeve and a whole side part, and I have to push this part further, and then I'm gonna create two little tiny drape right here to make a nice look. And now I have to sew it back, the side and the sleeves. So I know it looks a little bit messy now, but trust me, at the end it will be amazing. This is our sleeves, and I'm gonna sew some snaps so we can make them detachable, and that way she can remove the sleeves. And I finished the front part. I attached the lace, and I'm gonna leave the sides so we can decide at the fitting what we're gonna do. And almost ready. So here is our final look of the wedding gown. She really was in love, and especially with the hem a little shorter and longer in the backside. The guests who came with her, they were very impressed with detachable ruffles. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you want to see more, please subscribe for more. Thank you so much.